Have you ever wondered why it seems like wealthy people become even wealthier, while everyone else has to work harder just to get ahead? At first, it might seem unfair. Maybe they have better jobs. Maybe they have better opportunities. Or maybe they simply got lucky. But in many cases, the real reason is much simpler. Their money has reached a point where it starts growing much faster than before. This point is often called the wealth threshold. It's the stage where compounding begins to create noticeable results. Before reaching this point, building wealth feels slow. After reaching it, your investments begin doing more of the heavy lifting. In today's video, we'll explain what the wealth threshold is, why it matters, why the beginning feels so difficult, and how you can reach this stage yourself. Let's begin. What is compounding? Before we talk about the wealth threshold, we first need to understand compounding. Compounding is one of the simplest ideas in finance. It means earning returns on both your original investment and the returns you've already earned. Imagine planting a single mango tree. During the first few years, the tree grows slowly. It doesn't produce much fruit. But eventually, the tree begins producing dozens of mangoes every season. Each mango contains seeds. Those seeds can grow into more trees. After many years, one tree becomes an entire orchard. Money grows in a similar way. When you invest money, it earns returns. If you leave those returns invested, they also begin earning returns. Year after year, your investment continues growing. The longer you leave it alone, the more powerful compounding becomes. This is why people often say that time is one of the greatest advantages an investor can have. Why growth feels so slow at the beginning? Many people quit investing because they expect quick results. They invest for 1 year. Maybe 2 years. Sometimes even 5 years. When they look at their account, they don't see dramatic growth. They become discouraged. But here's the important thing to understand. Slow growth at the beginning is completely normal. During the early years, most of your wealth comes from the money you personally invest. The investment returns are still relatively small. Think about riding a bicycle uphill. The first part requires the most effort. Your legs work hard. Progress feels slow. But once you reach the top and begin riding downhill, the bicycle moves with much less effort. Compounding works the same way. The early years require patience. The later years reward that patience. Many people stop climbing just before reaching the top. Understanding the wealth threshold. So what exactly is the wealth threshold? The wealth threshold is the point where your investment returns become large enough to noticeably increase your wealth each year. There isn't one universal number. For one person, it might be around $100,000. For someone else, it may be $300,000 or even $500,000. The exact number isn't important. The principle is what matters. Imagine 2 investors. The first investor has invested $25,000. If the investment grows by 10%, they earn about $2,500 during the year. Now imagine another investor with $500,000 invested. The same 10% return produces approximately $50,000. Both investors earned the same percentage. Neither worked harder. Neither found a secret investment. The only difference is the amount of money already invested. Once your investments become large enough, they begin creating significant growth almost automatically. That's the wealth threshold. Why the first $100,000 is often the hardest. Many financial experts have said that the first $100,000 is the hardest to build. There are several reasons for this. First, you're still learning how to manage money. Second, your income may still be growing. Third, your investments haven't had enough time to compound. During this stage, your monthly savings contribute far more than your investment returns. Let's imagine you invest $500 every month. At first, your account grows mainly because you're adding money regularly. The investment returns are relatively small. But after many years, something interesting happens. your investment returns become larger. Eventually, they may even become larger than the amount you personally invest each year. That's when the balance begins increasing much faster. Many people never experience this because they stop investing too soon. Patience is what separates those who benefit from compounding from those who don't. Common mistakes that delay compounding. Unfortunately, many people unknowingly delay reaching the wealth threshold. One common mistake is waiting for the perfect time to start investing. They believe they'll begin after receiving a promotion, paying off every expense, or earning more money. But every year they wait is a year that compounding cannot work for them. Another mistake is constantly buying and selling investments. Trying to predict short-term market movements often leads to poor decisions. Compounding works best when investments remain invested. A third mistake is withdrawing investment gains too early. Every dollar you remove today is a dollar that can no longer compound tomorrow. Finally, many people compare themselves to others. They become discouraged because someone else appears wealthier. Instead of focusing on their own progress, they lose motivation. Remember, wealth is built over decades, not weeks. How to reach the wealth threshold faster. Although there are no shortcuts, there are smart habits that can help you reach the wealth threshold sooner. The first habit is consistency. Invest something every month, even if it's a small amount. The second habit is increasing your investments whenever your income increases. Instead of spending every raise, invest part of it. Third, reinvest your earnings. Allow dividends, interest, and profits to remain invested whenever possible. Fourth, avoid unnecessary high-interest debt. Paying expensive interest works against the power of compounding. Finally, stay patient. The people who benefit most from compounding are usually those who stay invested through both good times and bad times. The wealth threshold isn't a secret reserved for millionaires. It's simply the point where your investments become strong enough to produce meaningful growth on their own. The journey to that point isn't always exciting. In fact, it often feels slow. But slow progress doesn't mean you're failing. It means you're building the foundation for something much bigger. Remember this. Compounding rewards patience, consistency, and time, not perfection. The sooner you begin, the sooner your money starts working as hard as you do. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple, practical lessons on investing, wealth building, and financial freedom. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and let time become your greatest financial partner.